In response to user requests, we've added a brand field to the MyServicePro work orders for the purpose of tracking the brand of equipment being serviced on a particular work order. I'm going to take the next couple minutes and tell you about it. Let me say right up front, we realize you may go out to service more than one piece of equipment, and obviously more than one brand. In this case, you could use the brand field to identify the primary brand of equipment being serviced if you'd like. You could even use this field for something completely different from a brand, but some other piece of information that you might want to track on each work order. Regardless of how you may or may not use it, let me show you how it works. First of all, if you want to use the brand field, you need to enable it and set up the brand names. To do this, along the top navigation menu, go to More, then Setup, and down to Miscellaneous Settings. On the Miscellaneous Settings page, scroll down to where you see Brand Settings. To enable, click the checkbox next to Enabled, and then add whatever brand names you want. I've already added some here. To add a brand name, enter the name in the field at the bottom of the list, and then click Add. If you want to change a name, click the Edit button, make the change to the name, and then click Update. You can come back to these settings at any time to edit or add a brand name, and even disable the brand field if you want. Now, moving on to how it works. When enabled, you'll see the brand field on the work order screen. The brands you've entered in Setup will be available in a drop-down list. You can make a selection when you're creating a new work order or when you're editing an existing work order. One thing I'll point out is if you edit a name in your settings, it will update every work order to which that brand is assigned. For instance, if I edit Acme to say Anvil Industries, it will update every work order that is currently assigned to the brand Acme. The lesson to take away from this is don't change the name of a brand in Setup to a completely different name. One more note. The brand you assign to a work order will appear to the technician on the mobile device. Specifically, it will be listed just below the notes on the assignment details screen. That's all I have for you about the brand field in MyServicePro. If you have any questions or need help, use our live chat to chat with one of our team members at www.myserviceforce.com or email us at support@myserviceforce.com. And remember, if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's a great way to find videos like this to help answer your questions, get on-demand training at your own pace, and simply keep up to date with what's going on with the MyServiceForce line of products.